Very happy with the progress of my polytunnel this year, even though it's literally held together with God's glue at this point. I'm using an old wheelbarrow that's got a big hole in the bottom of it, so that means it's got drainage, and another leftover container there, and I put my strawberries in there. So I brought them in when the weather got a bit warmer, and I'll wheel them back out again when they've had their fruit and died off a bit, and then I can put them back out. Same with that wheelbarrow, another old wheelbarrow, perfect for recycling, an old container. And then trying to keep the weeds down in my tomatoes as they come along. Tip I learned from the quarantine gardener is never use spray water on your tomato plants. You get a much better yield, so I always just make sure that the water only gets to the bottom of the plants. That's really worked well for me the last 2 years, so thank you, quarantine gardener, for that. I'm very excited because this is the first of my lovely kale leaves harvesting for the year. That's my first harvesting officially. Kale, very high in magnesium, lots of greens there, so look at the fibre and B9 folic acid, folate, all the B's really, and iron, bit of copper in there as well, so, and essential fatty acids. People don't realise this actually, that our leafy greens actually contain essential fatty acids too. Let's just look at the beautiful lines in that. Enjoy your gardening, everybody.